Hi crafty friend, it's Mona here and today I'm joining the Alex Syberia Designs YouTube hub for the brand new Lush Floral collection release. There is also a giveaway, so make sure to check all the details in the description box below. I want to give you a quick look at this beautiful release because honestly, I had such a hard time stopping with this one. I ended up making 15 cards. And I'm still not done with it. Alex launched her first ever enamel pins collection too, and these pins are so beautiful and detailed, just take a look. Today I will use the beautiful Lush Peony Bouquet bundle and I want to show you how easy it is to create a colorful rainbow floral look with its matching stencil. Honestly, I was a little scared of the BetterPress system at first. I thought it would be complicated or fussy, but now I think I'm officially in love. I mean, look at this detail. This is what you see in real life with colors on top of it too. So pretty. You can use this press plate in different ways. If you have the Glimmer hot foil system, you can foil with it, and if you have the BetterPress system, you can also use it with ink for that beautiful pressed look. For today's card, I wanted to keep it simple and quick, so I decided to foil the image. I used black foil, and once the machine has heated up, I could already run it through my die-cut machine. This is always the most exciting part for me. Did the foiling work or did I mess it up? It turned out really pretty. The side is a bit off, but it will be okay on the card. There was a tiny bit of extra foil on the edge, so I fixed it with a sand eraser. I thought it would be fun to show you two different versions of this technique, one bolder and one softer. For the first version, I placed the first stencil over the foil image. I love blending on my waffle flower grip mat because it keeps everything in place so nicely. For this darker version, I used Catherine Puller rings. The colors were Pucker Up, Cummerbund, and Limoncello. I blended the colors through the stencil, letting them overlap a little bit to create that pretty rainbow floral look. For the leaves, I used Mauve Lawn Distress Oxide ink and Peacock Feathers Distress Oxide ink because I wanted to add a little color twist instead of using only green. And if you prefer a softer look, then I think Distress Oxide inks are perfect for this technique. For the pastel version, I again used three colors as the base: Kitsch Flamingo, Salvage Patina, and Squeezed Lemonade. These colors blend together so beautifully and create a soft rainbow effect without looking too strong. Then I placed the next stencil layer on top to add the shadows and details. For this layer I used deeper shades in a similar color family: Picked Raspberry, Peacock Feathers, and Mustard Seed. For the leaves on this version, I wanted a lighter result, so I used Twisted Citron and the Mauve Lawn Distress Oxide inks. Okay, it already looks beautiful, but I wanted to add a few extra details and little final touches. So I used a white pencil to add a bit of light here and there on the flowers and on the leaves. Then I repeated the same idea with a white pigment pen for stronger highlights. Of course, I couldn't stop there, so I also added some black splatters because I just love how they make a floral card feel a little more artsy and playful. For the background, I used this beautiful die-cut panel, what I created with a charming flora cover die. I also had some watercolor panels on my desk from one of my morning creative sessions, so I used one of them there too. I love keeping pieces like this because they always come in handy for a future project. For the sentiment, I finally decided to go with the gold sentiment because it added a soft and elegant touch to the colorful flowers. And I promise it's the last thing. I added a few sequins to make a card glow a bit. And as you can see, there are many ways you can use these products. depending on your mood and style. Let me know in your comments which card design is your favorite. I would really love to know which one would you pick. Maybe I will make a real video or so on with it. Also, don't forget that this video is part of the Alex Syberia Design YouTube hub. You can find the giveaway details, the full supply list, and all the important info like your next stop in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this colorful floral idea, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!